Hey guys, so this isn't something you see every day. I thought I'd show you what's going on here. Is that a smoke alarm? Actually, it's the toilet, if you can imagine. We're going to show you how to fix that. Hold on. So sometimes on these toilets you get crazy sounds like that, especially if the valve's getting old and needs to be replaced. So there's the old valve system, and we got a new valve system, just a universal, super simple, but we'll walk you through it. First thing you want to do is turn off your water supply. It's down there. You're going to turn it to the right, clockwise. Don't have to snug it up too much. Then you want to flush the toilet. Let all the water out. Keep the handle down. Now there's a lot of different ways of getting the rest of that water out so that we can pull the valve out. I like to use a vacuum. It's just your basic wet or dry vac. Just remember, before you use it in the wet mode, you want to take the dry filter out. Yours will be a little different. Just take the dry filter out. Set that to the side. Turn that on. Next thing you want to do is unhook the water supply line. Usually you can just do that by hand. I'm going to get a towel. Got a towel there. Just going to unhook this supply line. And once that's done, you'll see there's another nut under there, that white one. We're going to do that. Same thing, undo the white nut. Very simple. Once you get that out, unhook this from the toilet refill. This whole assembly will come out. Set it there for a minute. There's what's in the box. We got the new filler float, that attachment, the nut, some instructions in the filler tube. Installation same as removal. Just make sure that this gasket, the red gasket, is in place. Goes back down through the hole. Tighten that nut back down. Again, you can just tighten it by hand. Once you get that, you're going to put this water supply line back on. Make sure not to cross thread it if you can. Snug that up by hand, much like you would do with a garden hose. You can attach your bowl filler tube. Just pushes it on there and pushes on there, much like a drip line. This just pushes down into the filler tube so that the inlet is pointing to the filler tube. If you're pretty satisfied that you have everything tightened, go ahead and turn the water back on. This is going to be left counterclockwise. Check for leaks. You can see the water spraying into the bowl refill tube, and the tank's filling up. We'll give it a second. Still filling. So now all you want to do is just check for leaks, which we did. good. No drips. Toilet flushes properly. You can run through a couple of cycles. Put the lid back on. That's pretty much it, guys. Super easy fix, but if you're having trouble with your toilet, sometimes it doesn't shut off because that valve is shot or making funny noises. Super easy fix. Thanks, guys.